The Belasante on the extraordinary Pueblo Riverwalk offers its residents an exceptional waterfront lifestyle second to none. As you tour throughout this 2,800 square foot luxurious 3-bedroom maintenance-free condo with 2.5 lavish baths, you're first treated to a stunning Brazilian cherry floor entry that meanders through the great room and down the hallway to additional living areas. The formal dining area is graciously accented with a Venetian plaster wall, Roman columns, along with a floating sideboard and red glass teardrop lights that enhance the ambience. The bright kitchen is illuminated with the same lovely teardrop lights, along with ceiling-recessed slider-controlled lighting. With stylish granite countertops, a center island, along with a spacious countertop sitting area where you'll have plenty of room for welcomed guests. Stainless steel upgraded professional appliances enhance this cook's dream kitchen, along with marble-tiled floors. Just off this grand kitchen, you'll find a dining area enhanced with 6-foot windows that frame the view of Pikes Peak in the distance. Moving into the great room, you're greeted by the soaring cove, octagon ceiling, accented with ambient indirect lighting, a custom-designed natural gas fireplace below an HD television that features an entertainment surround sound system throughout. Down the gracious hall, you'll find an informal sitting area ideal for your favorite libation. The split floor plan provides a second large master bedroom with stunning shower, jacuzzi tub, that adjoins a third bedroom now being used as an office. This design provides privacy for the resident and welcomed guests alike. A complete full-size upscale washer and dryer is tucked away behind double sliding doors. The master suite on the other wing of this grand condo is well appointed and offers incredible views of the Riverwalk. The elegant bath has exquisite marble tops, a jacuzzi jetted tub, and a beautiful marble-tiled shower. At Belasante, residents have exclusive controlled access to the building, as well as a private and secure underground parking garage, in addition to the Riverwalk's private security. Probably one of the nicest amenities is your private balcony that provides dazzling Pueblo Riverwalk views from your third-floor waterfront home. This grand designed condo is the last offering available at the Belasante, so call for a showing today. Come join the enhancement of Belasante living. Lifestyle, location, and luxury define this perfect urban way of life. Discriminating buyers, passionate about how and where they live, will find the Belasante, the platinum Colorado property to call home.